The Porsche 911 GT3 RS isn't just another 911. It's a track-focused weapon built to destroy lap times and embarrass supercars twice its price. A high-revving NA flat 6, active aero straight from Formula 1, and handling so precise it feels telepathic, it's a street-legal race car that set Nuremberg records the moment it hit the track. But what makes it so fast? And why is it the most extreme GT3 RS Porsche ever built? Let's break it all down. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and share this with every Porsche fan you know. At the heart of the GT3 RS is a 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat 6 that screams all the way to 9,000 RPM. No turbos, no electrification, just pure mechanical fury. It puts down 518 horsepower and 343 pound-feet of torque, which might not sound like much compared to today's turbocharged monsters, but don't let that fool you. This car is all about power to weight and razor-sharp handling. 0 to 60, 3 seconds. Top speed, 184 miles per hour. But here's the real flex. It lapped the Nuremberg in 6 minutes and 49 seconds, making it one of the fastest road-legal cars to ever hit the green hell. And it's not just the power, it's how it delivers it. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed PDK dual-clutch transmission, giving you shifts faster than the blink of an eye. And the giant swan neck rear wing, it's not just for show. It generates 1,895 pounds of downforce at 177 miles per hour. That's double the previous GT3 RS and almost as much as a GT3 Cup race car. But Porsche didn't stop there. They gave it a drag reduction system, DRS. Just like in Formula 1, at high speeds, the rear wing flattens out to reduce drag, giving you even more straight-line performance. And when it's time to slow down, massive carbon ceramic brakes make sure it stops just as brutally as it accelerates. If there's one thing the GT3 RS is built for, it's cornering at mind-bending speeds. Porsche ditched the front radiator to make room for an F1-style central radiator setup, allowing for better airflow and a lower center of gravity. Then they took suspension tuning to another level. Double wishbone front suspension with adjustable dampers controlled on the fly right from the steering wheel. Need more grip mid-corner? Crank up the front rebound settings. Need more rotation? Adjust the rear compression. It's a level of adjustability never seen before in a street-legal 911. With rear-wheel steering, active aerodynamics, and a staggering Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2R setup, 275mm front, 335mm rear, the GT3 RS sticks to the road like it's on rails. One look at the GT3 RS and you know this thing is built for speed. The front splitter fenders, roof, hood, and doors all carbon fiber, shaving off every unnecessary ounce. Air vents over the front wheels reduce pressure buildup, while massive side blades channel air around the car for optimal stability. In that rear wing, it's hydraulically adjustable, meaning it changes angles in real time to balance drag and downforce perfectly. Underneath, a flat underbody with rear diffusers works with the wing to generate maximum grip, keeping the car planted even at ridiculous speeds. And for those who want even more weight savings, Porsche offers the Weissach package, which swaps in a carbon fiber roll cage, magnesium wheels, and even carbon fiber anti-roll bars. Inside, the GT3 RS is all business. The steering wheel is Alcantara wrapped and features 4 adjustable suspension and traction control dials. Literally race car tech in a road car. The seats, full carbon fiber bucket seats straight out of Porsche's track cars. Porsche even removed the door handles and replaced them with fabric pull straps because saving a few extra grams matters in a car this focused. You want music, navigation, or a backup camera? They're still there, but let's be real. If you're buying a GT3 RS, you're here for the drive. And just like the exterior, Porsche offers the Weissach package, which swaps in more carbon fiber panels and an optional 6-point racing harness. Oh, and the back seats, gone, because of weight savings. So, is the 911 GT3 RS the ultimate track day weapon, or has Porsche gone too extreme? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this kind of content, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive. And speaking of that, what car should we break down next? Let us know below. And until next time, keep rolling.